Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to execute the big data programs in the Hadoop. So Hadoop contains the name node, data node, resource manager, all those things. So we have to start all those things. How to start? You with this command start owl.sh. Here it is going to start the name node. Here the name node is starting. Then it is going to start the data node. One by one it is going to start all the nodes. After starting these nodes, on top of these things we are going to be executing the programs. Secondary name node or standby node, resource manager, all the things it is going to be starting. See, it has been started, all the nodes are not. That we are going to be checking with the JPS command. See here, name node should be there, data node should be there, secondary name node, all these node manager, resource manager, all these should be there, then the program will execute on the Hadoop. If it is not there, then you have to go back and check the files in the Hadoop etc Hadoop. There you have to go and check the files. So now we'll start executing the program. See, we have to create one input file. Big data means the huge data will be there, that we are going to be keeping in one input file. To create an input file, we are going to be using the gedit input.txt. Here it is going to be creating the input. Here we are going to write that this is Hadoop program execution. The same thing we are going to be writing for the multiple times. Then it is going to be counting that one. See, I have written the 3 times. Save and close that one. This input has to be there in the Hadoop system. If in the Hadoop, it is going to be stored in the data node. So we have to keep this file into the Hadoop. How to keep that one? First we are going to creating one folder in the Hadoop. Hadoop fs-mkdir. We are going to be creating one folder. The folder name is input. We will create one input folder for the word count program. So it has been created. It has been created or not, we have to check that one with the command hadoop fs-ls. With this ls command we are going to be checking. Ls means listing the files. So here input.wc, it has been created. This file has been created. Folder has been created. Next we are going to be moving our input into this input folder. See how to identify this is a folder or file. See here, D means folder. Here if it is a hyphen means it is a file. Here it is a folder. D means directory. Now we are going to be moving that input file input.txt to the input.wc folder. To move that one, what is the command? Put command. Hyphen put input. Then you have to specify the location where you have to put input.wc. Now we have to check that one, it has been inserted in that one or not. How to do that one? With the ls command input.wc. See here, the input.txt is already present. If you want to see the content of this input file, how we have to see that one? Hadoop fs-cat. Cat command is used for seeing the outputs. Content of the file input.wc input.txt. It will display the content of the particular file. See here, I am Pooja, I am girl, I am girl. See, we have put it this one, but our input was something else. But this has came, no? So okay, no problem. this is the our input. Then what we are going to do is, now is a compilation of the Java program. First we'll see the Java program. Java program wordcount.java. See here, the program name should be a class name here. Word count, this is our class name. This class name should be our program name. The program, you have to check these two things. It is a case sensitive. If it is a small, if you return, then it will not execute. It will give the errors. This is our word count program. It is used for counting the number of words in the particular file. We'll do that one now. Now the next step is to compile. Hadoop com dot sun dot tools dot java c dot main. We have to write our program name, wordcount.java. Then you have to press enter. This is for the compilation of this word count program. Now our program is compiled, no errors are there in our program. Now it has been created many classes that we are going to be creating one jar file for these classes. Jar -cf wordcount.jar. Now we have to write the word count star. Here multiple class files are going to be created, so all these class files we are going to be keeping in the wc.jar. It has been done. Next step is to execute our program. How to execute? We have to write the Hadoop. We have to specify the jar file name because our program is there in our jar file. Then we have to write the word count, our program name. This is our program name, word count. Then you have to specify the input folder, input wc. In that one our input.txt is there. That location we have to specify. Then we have to write the output wc, output of a word count. Then this is going to be, see here, first one is a Hadoop. Next you have to specify the jar file name, then you have to specify the program name, then you have to specify the input. This is the whole thing is input. This is input folder. In that our input text file is there. Next is the output folder. We have to specify. The input folder will be already created, but output folder will be created after the execution of this program. Now we have to press enter. It will start executing the program. It will take some time for the execution. See how the program is going to be executed in the Hadoop means in the Hadoop the two things will be there. One is a map, another one is a reduce. First the program is going to be divided into number of maps, then a reduce. First map is going to be executed, then the reduce is going to be executing. See here, it is going to be showing here. First map has been started. After completion of the map, reduce is going to be starting and reduce is going to be completing. Our execution is complete now. Then we are going to be seeing the output. The output will be there in our output folder, which the name we are specified. There it will be there. It has been created or not. First we have to check. If the execution is successful, then that folder is going to be created. Otherwise it is not going to be created. Yeah, it has been created. See, two output files will be there. One is a success file will be there, another one will be the part R000. This is here in this one our output will be there. This file is for indication of the completion of the execution. We'll see the content of this file. Here our output will be present. Hadoop fs. How to see the content of the file? With the cat command. Cat output word count part are 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros are there. Then it is going to show the content. See how many times the girl occurred, how many times I occurred, am occurred, Pooja occurred. This is the content. This is going to show you the number of times the particular word has been occurred. This is our word count program. See, after completion of the execution of the program, you have to stop all the nodes which all you have started. Then it will be correctly working in the next time. It is stopping the name node, data node, second name node, second, all the things it is going to be starting one by one. Stopping the resource manager,